Today's lesson, we are going to look at files and directories in our operating system. A file is a collection of related records, and these files are well organized and accessed easily by anybody when they are placed in a directory. So we are having three common types of directories, namely single level directory, two level directory, and tree structured directory. I'll start by looking at the single level directory. In this directory, we have only one root directory, that's main directory, where all files are placed. So this kind of representation has a problem. Like duplication of files is not possible with the same name. Each file must be represented by its own name. It has disadvantages. For example, efficiency. A file can be located more easily since they're just together. Naming. It becomes convenient for users as two users can have the same name for different files but placed in the same area. For two-level directory, in these separate directories, for each user is maintained. There's a path name that has to be followed in order to access the files. And so, at the root directory, we have different user subdirectories which can be created. For example, directory A in our diagram can have two different files for this user A. If you go to user B, can also have his own files created. Same to user C, his own directory from the root directory as C and with as many files as possible. So that implies that the files can be of different names or same names, but the fact remains each user's files are stored separately. Those are the two main directories I've mentioned for today. That's single level directory and two level directory. So I'll summarize by saying that with single level directory, all files are placed at the root in one directory. Unlike two level directory, every user has his own subdirectory where files can be uniquely placed. Thanks for that. So I'll finish by asking a question. What's the difference between single level directory and two level directory? Thanks and welcome in the next lesson when we'll be completing our directory structure.